Alright, in this video, this is an update to a video that I made last week. If you missed that video, it's fine. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an active viewer or subscriber, this is just a quick update on making a request. As always, you can continue using the YouTube comments, the G+ post, and the Facebook post. That's not a problem at all. You all making the request are the reason I do what I do. Therefore, I want to make it as easy as possible for you to make a request. Head over to my website, www.bcraftmath.com. Underneath requests, click on make a request. There's 3 quick steps to read over. Fill out the form. Please make sure you provide a valid email address so that I can contact you should I need to do so. And then provide as much information as possible about your request. You can include links to files, images, videos, etc. here as well. Once you fill out the request and once I review it, I will add it to the upcoming tutorials page. At this page, you can see how things are going to be organized based on the particular topic. These 2 lists here are sorted oldest to newest. Therefore, I will be completing the older requests first, and then eventually I'll get to your request down here. So what you'll see through time is that your request will be moving up this line to the top, and once it's at the top, I'll make a video on it. The back burner tab is requests I've had in the past from viewers, and these are requests that I have not done for some reason or another, and I have little notes there should you wish to read over those. And then the help tab is if you are sending me a preset or a math problem to look at, I will add that to the top, and as I get through it, I'll mark it as complete, and obviously I'll be contacting you should you have individual help. And that's all there is to it. You know, fill out the form real quick, check back for updates, see where you are in line. And again, please continue using YouTube comments, G+ post, and Facebook post. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped.